What is up, guys? I'm back. um, yeah, I'm back. We're back. It's been 11 months since my last upload, and I miss it, man. I really do miss it. I miss editing. I miss uploading everything. It's been way too long, like I said. But we're back with a nice unboxing slash install video. Um, we're just watching a little bit of Evan Shanks back there. No big deal. But like I said, we got a nice unboxing and install video for you guys and girls today. So let's jump right into it. Shout out to USP Motorsports because their customer service was just phenomenal. Um, I've had good customer service in the past, but USP customer service is just phenomenal and great, and they helped me with any questions and concerns that I've had with my package or with etc. What I should go with. But so shout out to them guys. But I'll put their link in the description below. If you have a BMW, Audi, Volkswagen, I believe they sell Lamborghini parts too, Porsches. If you need anything for those cars, I'll put their link in the description below. But yeah, let's get to opening this package. All right, let's take these things out. Let's see what we got here. Is a we have the Spullen. I don't know how to pronounce it, but we have the short shifter. We have a short shifter kit, 6-speed, side to side. This is the side to side, and this here is the actual short shifter itself. We'll get into those, tear those, and open up in a second. Let's see what else is in here. Return label. That won't be necessary. A nice USP Motorsports sticker that will go on the car. And what else? Last but not least, Haribo gummy bears. This is great. It's kind of like they know me, but this is great. I love these gummy bears. This is awesome. Shouts out to USP Motorsports once again. Came through in the clutch. But let's get to opening these real quick. All right, so what we have here is we have the quick change shifter itself for the side to side action. This is the shifter itself for side to side. We have this, which is it's a bushing. It acts as a bushing, so I mean, basically it's just a bushing. So that's what it is. Then right here we have 3 retaining posts. We have the 2 regular tall retaining posts. Then we have 1 ball retaining post, the nut, and then we have the clip. And over here, again, we have the 2 tall retaining posts, and we have the 1 ball post with the nut, and we have a washer. To my understanding, I think you don't use all these, and that goes for the side to side one too. You don't use all these. You only use the one specific for your car. Whether you have, I think they're all compatible with MK7, 6, 5, maybe 4 too as well. I'm not sure. But yeah, you only use the one specific for your car. Then right here we have the short shifter bracket itself. It's nice. Feels good. The weight is good. I do love the neochrome, like the neochrome-ish look. It's really nice. I haven't even installed it yet, and I'm in love with it. But it looks nice. It feels good in my hand. I can't wait to put it in. Can't wait to install it and feel these shifts. All right, guys. So the first thing we're gonna do is take off. We're gonna take off the intake. Take off this nice old intake here, and then we can access the short shifter and everything under here. So I'm gonna take this off, and yeah, we'll be back. All right, guys. So now I got the intake off. So now we have better access to the shifter. You have the 6-speed shifter right here. Right here we have the side to side. Right here, I already have this bushing off, so now I have to take this one off, take this clip off right here, take this 13 off, bang this out, and then I'll get that off, and then I'll show a comparison, and then we'll go from there. All right, guys, so before we throw it in, I got everything together. This is the side to side. And the directions, as far as I'm concerned, or as far as the direction said, the further is down, the shorter the throw. So I really want a short ass notchy throw, so I have mine all the way downwards. Same with the throws as well. So I have mines all the way down to the bottom. So short as fuck, notchy as fuck, YOLO. And then now we're gonna throw it in. All right, guys. So now we have the side to side shifter in there. So it's pretty simple once you get the I'll look at the direction. So it's pretty simple once you get the gist of it. So I have that in there. We got the new this new little bushing thingy, whatever. We got the new retaining clips right here for this bushing. I didn't get new bushings. I do recommend, well, they recommend you get new bushings for these. I didn't order them, but I mean, I can always buy them. You can always buy them and come back to it. So I'll just get those next time. But I forgot to get them this time. So yeah, don't be me. But yeah. So yeah, we got the side to side action. We got the side to side action in there. Got the new retaining clips, like I said. We got the bushings on there. This is all the way down for short, like I said, like I showed you earlier. This is short to match this shortness, because YOLO. We're gonna go ahead and throw this one in, and I'll show you guys what's up with that. So now we have the shifter, we have the complete short shifter kit on. Everything's on, bolt is tight. I advise you, when you guys do put this back on, do not super tighten it, because you will strip it and you will have to take it to the dealer so they can fix it inside the trans. But just snug this. What I did, I snugged it and I gave it just not even a quarter turn, just a little just to be safe. So that's all in there. Clips in there. C-clip is in there. Everything's tight. Everything's in. I already tested it. But let me sorry guys. But let me show you guys so that you guys can see. But I felt it prior. I just felt it and it feels so nice. So let me excuse me. Let me shift this away so you guys can see. Now we officially have everything back together, installed, OEM spec-ish. But short shift is in, everything's tight. Nothing left to do but to drive it and enjoy it. And I'll give you guys a follow-up video, or maybe later in this video, I'll let you guys know something, see how it is. Alright guys, so moments later, I just been enjoying it for a little bit. I've been driving for about 45 minutes, but I just been enjoying it. Like, it feels so good. It feels so good from stock, side to side, through the gears, reverse. Like, it feels really good, and it's really notchy, and I really like it. It's like I have mine set max short to the shortest throw. For side to side and through the gears. So it feels good. I'm really happy. I'm just enjoying it right now. I do want to order those bushings though. Damn. Okay. I do want to order those shift link bushings, and I'm gonna get some mounts, motor mounts. And but yeah. that's the end of the video right there. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It feels good to be back. Feels good to post. Feels good to post a video. I'm not gonna say back like, I mean, like I'm fully there, but it does feel good to make another video and to upload. I know I need to keep constantly doing it though, but it feels good. It feels good. I miss the editing. I miss the uploading. So hopefully you guys enjoyed it. I enjoyed it. I enjoyed putting it on. I enjoyed making a video. But yeah, I guess we'll just see you guys in the next one. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, please. I'd love to hear your feedback on how much better I can do as far as making videos. Or I mean, because I know this video was a little, I don't know, I feel like I didn't show much or explain much. I don't know, but I'm still trying to get in the swing of things. But let me know down in the comments. I guess I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.